So we got the airblast hooked up. I don't know if you've seen previously, when I first homed the machine, it was homing in the wrong direction. The Z-axis would go down to home, so I had to flip the rotation of the motor. Instead of doing that in the software side of it, you can also do it in the hardware side, and I'll go ahead and show you how to do that. But I've got the airblast mounted. Now it homes up instead of down. The way the prover was set up is this side would be mounted this way, and the whole axis, or the whole Z-axis, goes up and down. So when it twists down, the rest goes up. So now it's backwards. But like I said, you can do it in the software side or the hardware side. It's just easier to do it in the hardware side, honestly. And I'll show you guys that. So, if you have a motor that's going the wrong direction, you want to change it, come on over. You got 4 wires. Those are a pair. Green and blue are a pair. So you flip those two. Green here, blue there. Red here, black there. So blue goes to green, green to blue, red to black, black to red. And that's how you switch direction on your stepper motor. So I got the airblast, we got the radiator hooked up, which I don't think I've showed you guys yet. So here's all the, this is like my wiring area. So in here, back there, what I use for an air blast is an Airbrush air compressor. I mean, it's not super powerful, but it's enough. Focus. It's enough to blow the chips away and to get enough mist from your coolant going out that nozzle. Here's my res. And here is a 300 millimeter radiator. This is a computer radiator, computer fans, 120 millimeter. There's 6 of them blowing through there to keep the spindle cool. I'll be going over more of all of this later. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the tool pass for the wings. I have it modeled up already. I'm gonna do the tool pass. Gonna load this up. I'm not sure which bit I'm gonna use yet. With this new setup, I might do a 3 flute. Yeah. Maybe test a few speeds and feeds out before I start machining the main thing. But I got the metal right here for it. I think I can fit 2 on each plate. So I'm gonna get to it.